إني عذت بربي وربكم إني عذت بربي وربكم من كل متكبر لا يؤمن بيوم الحساب وقال رجل مؤمن من آل فرعون يختم إيمانه أتقتلون رجلا أن يقول ربي الله صدق الله العظيم. You believe that? I'm not perfect. I don't know. Maybe I say anything wrong word.
No.
I'm not perfect, but when I have time, I try to reciting Quran all the time. I'm very worship person. You say about my tattoo, I try to remember this tattoo because when I heard this thing, I'm a Muslim. I'm born Muslim, Alhamdulillah. Allah forgive me. Allah forgive us.
হোম এখানে ঢুকানো ছিল না এটা?
Really, I'm not very about that. Scholar.
এই জায়গাটা একদম খুবই বর্ষা এখান থেকে আর কি।
Bye. Say something. Tell me. Record this.
What I have to say, I don't know. What?
কোরআন তেলাওয়াত। আউযু বিল্লাহি।
Reciting Quran?
Yes.
I'm not professional, okay? Forgive me if I do anything wrong. Correction me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين صدق الله العظيم. I'm not professional, I don't know too much, but when I have time, I try to recite in Quran.
সুন্দর হয়েছে।
Are you from?
I'm from Philippines, Manila. You capital city Dhaka, our capital city Manila. You know Manila, Philippines?
No.
We have lots of beach over there, and every year too much Bengali people go our country, and we are most welcome to Bengali people because Bengali people are so friendly, and here people are so good. That's why.
Thank you. How much visit Bangladesh?
What?
How much visit Bangladesh?
How long? Stay here.
How many time you visit?
First time I'm beginner here. I went to India 2 times, but first time in Bangladesh. But I'm long time I'm staying here like 3 months, more than 2 months.
Are you content creator?
Yeah, I'm doing try to do a travel blog and content creator same time. I'm beginner here. You teach me Bengali word, then I can speak with you Bengali.
Thank you.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.